Hi there, I'm Jona Rose. Imagine a world where creativity meets technology. That's where you'll find me, with a 3D printer, a camera, and endless ideas. Welcome to my channel, a place where imagination takes physical form.
Turn up. I have a real
If you love seeing ideas come to life, hit that subscribe button. My formula is simple but thrilling. I share my journey with FDM 3D printing, from the mesmerizing process of creation to the final reveal of each project. While most videos follow this pattern, the diversity in projects is as vast as the ever-evolving world of 3D printing. No printer, no problem. Join me as an observer, a co-explorer. Sometimes I'm just as surprised by the outcome as you are. Transforming hours of printing into moments of awe, that's my goal. Compact, engaging, and always a bit magical.
The Skeleton Brothers Bone-tastic Facts.
Where do these ideas spring from? A mix of the Ankermake app, online treasures, your suggestions, and my own brainstorming sessions. The one thing that you can rely on is I always will hope you enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.